Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to convert Canva website to WordPress. So as you can see right here, I have two tabs on my web browser, the Canva and then my WordPress website. So let's see and view my site first. Okay, so when you click on the view site, this website is a real estate website that I have created for this channel. Okay, so this is my website. And what we're going to do now is to create a new page where we are going to convert our Canva website to WordPress. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to simply click on the edit site, and then if you want to create a new one, so just simply click on this one and then just have to click on the pages. So I'm just going to click on the edit site for now. Then after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then once done, you'd be directed to this section. Now what we are going to do here is to create a new page. Okay, so to create a new page, you just have to simply click on the pages, and then you'd be able to see here now add new page. So just click on it, and then you just have to create a title for your new page. After that, you just have to simply click on create draft, and after that, you will now redirect it to your new page. Okay, so now let us start customizing this page, but of course we are going to use the design from Canva, so we're just going to leave this page for now, and let's go to Canva. So right here, make sure to log into your account, and then using the search bar, you just have to type out website. Okay, so just type out website right here and then click on enter after that, and then here you'd be able to see different designs or templates that you can use, but of course I'm going to create a blank design. Okay, and then after that you can now customize your Canva design. So right here we can use a template, we have layouts and styles, and then if you want to search for a specific template, you can use the search bar at the top. So I'm just going to type it right here, real estate. Then you'd be able to see here different templates that you can use. As you can see, some of the templates has a crown icon, so it means in order for you to access this kind of template, you have to subscribe to a pro plan. Okay, so I'm going to use this template for now, and I'm going to create two pages for this video. Okay, and I am going to add this page. Okay, so I'm just going to change this to 3 pages instead of 2. Okay, and then for our last page, for the page number 3, I'm going to use this one as well. So you just have to click on it, or you just have to simply drag and drop the design that you wanted to use. So I'm just going to delete this blank page. Okay, then after that, you can now customize this template. Okay, from all of the elements, including the text, the color of the background, you can change the images or the photos. So I'm just going to change the photos for this template. So I'm going to upload an image or video. Then after clicking on this one, just have to locate your images or videos. And then after that, you just have to simply click on open. Okay, that's right. So this one right here. Now that you have successfully uploaded all of the images that you're going to use, you can now drag and drop the images on the frames. Okay, so for page number 1, I'm going to use that image, and for our page number 2, I'm going to use this one, and for our last page, I'm going to use this image. Okay, then after that, if you want to change your font style, the color of your font, so you just have to simply click on it, and you'll be able to see these different options at the top. Okay, so we're not going to focus on that anymore. So assuming that we are done customizing this page or this design, next thing that you should do is to publish your website. Okay, so to publish your website, you just have to simply click on the publish website option at the top right. Okay, and then make sure to check the box for the resize in mobile, and then just create your website URL and click on publish website. Just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then once your design is ready, next thing that you should do here is to go back to WordPress, and then you can click on the plus icon, this one or the one at the top left of your screen. Okay, next thing that you should do is using the search bar, you have to type out embed, And then we are going to look for the embed HTML. Okay, or this one right here, the custom HTML. So when you click on this one, okay, so this blocks will be added on your page. Next, go back to Canva and click on share. Okay, since this website is live already, so just click on more and then click on embed. Here, just click on embed once again, and then you just have to copy the HTML embed code. Now go back to WordPress, and then you just have to paste it right here. After that, you just have to simply click on enter, or you can now preview this one. Now click on the stretch icon so you can view this in full screen. Okay, so that is our first method in how we can convert the Canva website to WordPress. Now I'm going to show you as well on how you can add your design without embedding the code. So what we are going to do now is to go back to Canva, and then we are going to save all of our design in PNG type file. Okay, so I hope you get that. Now let's go back to Canva, and the next thing that you should do is to click on the share option once again. And then here, just click on the download option. Next, for the file type, make sure to select PNG. Okay, and then for the pages, make sure to select all pages and then click on download. Okay, so after that, we have to extract the zip file. So click on extract. And then once this file is extracted, go back to WordPress. Here, just click on the image and then click on upload. And then you just have to locate the folder. So this is the folder that we have extracted already. So now you just have to select your image. After that, just click on open. And then once you do that, that image will be added now to your page. Okay, and then after that, make sure to publish your design. And as you can see, the difference of the two is the first method, we have converted the Canva website using the embed code or the HTML embed code. And for the second method, we have converted the design by saving or downloading it first in Canva, and then we have extracted the file and then uploaded it in our WordPress website. So basically, converting a Canva design to WordPress lets you turn a simple static design into a fully working website. WordPress makes it easy to add features like contact forms, animations, and even online stores. It also ensures your site works well on phones and computers, looks professional, and can grow with your needs. So this makes it a greater option for turning creative designs into functional websites. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.